Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel Radhika TechHub. In this tutorial, I am going to explain lifecycle process in functional component. In the last video, you will see that with class component. Now you will see with the functional component how the flow will be. So I will creating the component. Now we will import it in the app.js file. So we can see the output functional component is here to see. Now we will start for the initial stage, that is the did mount stage. So to perform that operations, we will use the functional component with use effect. And why it is because it does not contains its own state. So class component has its own state, but in the class component it will not be supported to the hooks. In functional component it supports the hooks. So first we want to store one initial value so that we can take the use state. I'm taking the count and set count will be updated to the initial value. We can update using of set count. Initially I am taking 0. Here we will take the output. To increase that, we have to perform the on click operation. I am taking the button. For this on click event, to perform did mount, so we'll use a use effect, right? Use effect contains one dependence element with the empty array. If it is empty array, it will be executed only one time, and the use effect will be executed after the render method execution completion. So in this functional component, after the our react element js experiment will be executed, then it will be executed. As it is empty array, so it will be executed only once, because there is no dependencies in it array. So we'll see the output. Here the value is 0. When I click, it is incrementing, and you can see also here did mount. Then we will perform update. So with the dependency, in the dependency we will see the count. We'll see the output. So component did mount, as I told already, it will be executed after the JSX element, as we are having already initial value with 0. So the 0 is coming here with the dependency of count value is 0 now. So when I click here, it will be updated again. So those many times it will be updating. Here you can see that. Here you can see that 12. So with 0 plus 11 equals to 12 times. So we will put the condition itself also. When it is 0, we don't want to execute that component did mount. So we'll write here with the condition. So when it is equals to 0, we don't want to update, we don't want to execute that. So I will refresh it again. So it is 0 and the component did update is not came. So when I click here, the updating value is count 13 and here also count 13. Exactly the same it is. So we'll perform the unmount. So when it is unmount, it to be a empty array itself. And we should perform here return. So with an empty array and we have to return when it will be executed when any element will be removed from the DOM. So first we will see the output with commenting of h1 tag. You can see here it is unmounted and it is initialized again. So when we will refresh, so it is started, it is 12 right now. We'll comment another one with the button. I'm saved here and you can see that will unmount and again started the mounting and updating with the value of 12 it is. So how this will be happen the flow in the functional component. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like me and comment me. Don't forget clicking on bell icon. It will give the notification when I upload our new videos.